What's up guys, Alec here. Hope you're all having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you enjoy this video, I have a ton of videos on my channel teaching you all the secrets, tricks, and tips on how to grow your Amazon and your online business and all the secrets that go into actually creating a successful online business. So if you enjoy this video, subscribe. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to optimize your listing and your back end to show up for all your relevant keywords and search terms that you might not be showing up for and you could be missing out on a ton of sales for. So I'm going to show you how to do that and how to index for these certain keywords. And what indexing is basically just when someone types in your keyword or a search term, are you showing up for that and are you ranking for that? So I'm going to help you guys out with this today. Hopefully you enjoy this video and find it extremely helpful and valuable. So just to get started, I want to explain to you guys why you could be missing out on a ton of sales by not ranking for certain keywords. So for this example, I'm going to show you guys a product, and I just picked a random product, which is a coffee mug, and I'm going to show you how you could apply this to your product and fix your listing and your back-end keywords and optimize it so that you're showing up for as many keywords as possible, because the more sales you get, the more organic you will rank and the better your product will be, and you're going to make more sales and then more money at the end of the day. So how do you actually show up and even know that you're indexing or not indexing for these certain keywords? So first I'm going to show you a manual way, and then I'm going to show you a more automatic way that you could check these things and then go ahead and fix your listing based on that. So if we were selling this coffee mug right here and we want to check if we're actually indexing for certain keywords, what we would do is we would go down and we would take the ASIN. So if you guys don't know, that's in the product information and the details. Right here it says ASIN, so we copy that. And if this was our product and we want to check, we would paste the ASIN in, and then here's a little secret and tip that not many people know about, is you put the ASIN in and then you put the keyword that you want to check your ranking for. So this is a coffee mug, so we would obviously definitely want to be ranking for the word mug. So let's just put in mug after our ASIN, and it's going to check and see if we're ranking for that specific keyword, because we need to be ranking for that keyword. It's one of the most important keywords out of this product. So we would just hit search, and when we do, if that product does come up, that means we're indexing for it. So we are indexing for this product, is indexing for the word coffee, the word mug, sorry. So if we're not indexing, no results will show up. So I'll show you guys an example of that. So let's just say we put the word lemon at the end, and I'm just going to show this to you guys as an example and see how nothing came up there and no results. This means that we're not indexing for this particular keyword, and that's a good thing, because the coffee mug has nothing to do with a lemon, and we don't want to be showing up for that because it's not relevant. What we want to be showing up for is relevant keywords that potential customers would actually be searching and typing in the search box here on Amazon, and you want to show up for those certain keywords. So this is the manual way. Now, the more automatic way is if we were selling this product, we would take the ASIN. So we have the ASIN right here, we just copy it, and then we would go to a tool called Keyword Index Checker. There are a bunch of them, but this one's a free one, and I'm showing you guys the best way and easiest way to get started. I know some of you guys are new, so this one is completely free. It's just a Chrome extension. So I just want to show you guys the best, less expensive tools that you can use to get this stuff done without having to spend a fortune. So what you want to do is you want to put in the ASIN in the top where it says ASIN here, and then you want to click phrase. So what this does, there's two things you could search: keywords and phrases. So we want to click phrase. And in that first box, what you're going to put are phrases for this particular product. So how do you know what phrases your customers are actually searching? So I already downloaded a bunch and a list of keywords that are relevant to this product. So about 30 of them. So how do you know what's relevant? I particularly use, and I really enjoy, a keyword tool called Keyword Scout, and that's made by Jungle Scout. I have other videos on my channel explaining how to use that in depth and in detail, so check that out if you're interested. But you're going to need to get a list of relevant keywords for your product. So this list here are all relevant keywords that people would be searching and typing in to get to a product that is similar to this. So relevant keywords. There's a bunch of ways you could pull these just by search terms, see keywords. These would come up, or competitors. ASINs, you could do like reverse ASIN searches. But like I said, I have another video explaining that in detail on my channel, so check that out. So what we would do is we would take this list of keyword phrases, and we would just copy them. So just copy them down to the bottom, Control Shift down, or just drag down, copy them, and then we would go to keyword checker. We would take the list we just copied from our list of relevant keywords, and we would we would put in the ASIN right here, and then we would click on phrase, and then it says paste the list of phrases you wish to search below. So all we do is Command V or paste them in here, and they'll all show up here. So now is a simple part. All we have to do is click check now, and this is going to run a search automatically in the background, and it matched all the keywords in seconds rather than having to check each one manually one by one. So then what we would do now is we would go down and we would see what keywords were actually ranked for. So this is amazing because now we could tell if our product is showing up for these certain keywords like mugs, coffee travel mug, travel mug, all these different variations that we absolutely want to be ranking and indexing for on Amazon. So how do you know which ones you are and are not ranked for? So it's pretty obvious here. Right now you can see this one says true, 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 and it would show up in green. If it wasn't ranking, it would show false, and it would show up in red. So the ones that you're not showing up for, you want to pay attention to. So you could actually sort by not indexed. There's a tab here. So now this will show you exactly the ones you're not ranking for and indexing for. And this is an extremely helpful thing right here. It says download as CSV. So you could just download this, and you can create a list depending on how many keywords you're not ranking for, and then you could use that list to your advantage to help you fix your listing and optimize for these keywords. So, but I'm just going to show you right now how to do it once you get this list. So we see these are all the ones that we're not indexing for. So what we would do is we would download this as a CSV, and then we would open it up. So it depends whether you have Excel or Google Chrome. You just open it up in there. So now we see all the ones we're not indexing for. As we see, it says false. So this is extremely helpful information because we know these are relevant keywords, but we're not indexing for them. So what does that mean? We could be missing out on a ton of sales and just seriously hurting the way we're showing up for all these keywords. So we want to be showing up for these keywords. So what do? Depending on if these are relevant or not, we want to take these keywords. So some of these might not be relevant, like Yeti mug. The Yeti, some people might know that's a completely different product. That it's not really a coffee mug, so we wouldn't want to rank and index for that keyword. So you guys would have to just check and make sure that the ones that you will be optimizing with are relevant to your product. But what you would do is you would take this list that you download, and just like we did before, you would just copy them. Copy down to the bottom, Command C, or right click copy, and then we would go back to a website called Remove Duplicate Words. So you just go to Google, type that in, and it's called Trace My IP. So all the secret free tools I'm showing you guys will help you guys optimize and make your listing 10 times better for completely free without having to purchase any crazy softwares or anything. So what we do now is we take and we just clear out what they have in here, and we would paste in that list we have. So what this is going to do now, it's going to remove any duplicate words that show up here. So we just click original order, and then we just get it spits out the keywords that are unique. So it's not showing you any duplicates. So as we can see here, Yeti mug, Contigo, Auto Seal, coffee travel, funny mugs for women, men, holder, thermos, Starbucks, white. This means this product is not indexing for these keywords. Now, we want to be indexing for these keywords if they're relevant, so definitely check. I would maybe take out Yeti. That's really not relevant. So go through them. You might have a few of them that you're not ranking for and that are not relevant. So like I said before, take them out. But these are the ones that you want to now use this and include in your listing. So what do? So you would take these and you would go back to your listing, go in your back end, and what you would do is you would actually take these keywords and sprinkle them throughout your listing. Whether it's your back end, I would recommend putting them in your back end keywords. I would recommend putting them throughout your bullet points. I would even say if it's a keyword that is important, you would even put that in your title because you want to be ranking and showing up for these specific keywords. So that's what I would do to show up and optimize and make sure you're showing up for all these keywords that you could possibly be missing out on potential sales on that could truly and tremendously help optimize your listing so that you can make these extra sales and you are making sure you're showing up for these keywords and indexing for the ones that you don't know you could be missing out on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video about optimizing your listing with all these different keywords and figuring out what keywords you're not ranking for and you're not indexing for, and identify that, pick them, and figure out the ones that you need to implement into your listing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I'm constantly releasing new videos about Amazon FBA, online business, e-commerce, and living the laptop lifestyle. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. Check it out. I have tons of other videos about Amazon FBA and how to optimize your listing, keywords, product research. So check that all out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.